Listen closely. You are here for a reason. Out of millions of videos you could be watching right now, this one found its way to you. Maybe by chance, maybe not. The algorithm brought you here and now you have a choice to make. A choice that could change the course of your whole life forever. There are two types of women watching this video right now. The first one, she will watch for a few seconds, get distracted and click away. The second one, she will watch until the end, take notes, and most importantly, take action. If you're that second woman, I promise you, your life will never be the same. Before we dive into the steps to transform your life, let's talk about why so many of us stay stuck. It's not because we're not smart enough or talented enough or deserving enough. No, it's because of fear. There are three fears that hold women back more than anything. The first one is the fear of failure. What if I try and it doesn't work? The second one, the fear of judgment. What will people think about me? And then the fear of success. Yes, success. Because sometimes stepping into your greatness feels terrifying. Think about the last time you hesitated on a decision. Did you tell yourself you weren't ready? Did you look at someone else and think, they are just better at this than I am? I want you to remember this. Every successful person you admire has faced those exact fears in life. But what makes them different is that they didn't let those fears stop them. Let me share you a personal story. Years ago, I was paralyzed by the fear of failure. I stayed in a job that drained me because I was too scared to take the leap into my dreams. But one day I asked myself, what's scarier? Trying and failing or never trying and living with regret? And that question changed my whole life. So now, if you're feeling stuck, start by reflecting on what's holding you back right now. Grab a notebook and ask yourself, what's stopping me from moving forward? Write it down, no judgment, just honestly. Because sometimes identifying the block is the first step to breaking through. Let's start with vision. Not just any vision, a vision so clear and so compelling that it pulls you forward even on your hardest days. So here's how to create your vision now. First, imagine your life 1 year from now. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? And then think bigger. 5 years ahead, what does your dream home look like? Your ideal career, your relationships, write it all down. And now visualize your legacy. How do you want to be remembered? What impact do you want to leave behind? And don't stop there. Add sensory details. What does your dream office smell like? What music is playing in the background? The more vivid your vision, the more powerful it becomes. For example, one of my clients, Sarah, she came to me feeling lost. She didn't think she could create the life she ever wanted. But after we worked on her vision, everything changed. She realized she wanted to start that business, and now she's helping other women transforming their lives too. So to make this easier, I've created a free vision mapping workbook for you. Just click the link in the description and download it for free and start crafting your future today. Now, let's talk about the beliefs. Because here's the thing, you can have the best vision in your world, but if your mind is filled with limiting beliefs, you will sabotage yourself before you even start. Here's an exercise for you to reprogram your beliefs. First, write down every negative belief you have about yourself or your goals. So be brutally honest with you. Then, for each belief, write a new empowering one. For example, if you wrote, I'm not smart enough, replace it with, I am resourceful and I can figure out anything I want. And then repeat these affirmations daily. Say them aloud. Look in the mirror and own them if you say them to yourself. When I first started affirmations, I felt completely silly. But over the time, something amazing happened. I began to believe them. And as my beliefs shifted, so did my actions and my results. So if limiting beliefs have been holding you back, my free masterclass will teach you how to rewrite your whole life story. Just click the link in the description. Energy is everything. And if you are constantly exhausted, overwhelmed, and running on fumes, how can you expect to build your dream life? To protect and nurture your energy, you have to sleep enough. Aim for 7 or 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Set a bedtime and stick to it. Your nutrition. Fill your body with foods that energize you like wholes, grains and protein. And then movement. Even a 10-minute walk can boost your whole mood and productivity for the whole day. And mindfulness. Take 5 minutes each day to breathe deeply and clear your mind. For example, I used to think I didn't have time for exercises like this. But when I started to prioritizing every day 15 minutes, my focus and energy skyrocket. Let me tell you a secret. Successful women don't wait until they feel ready. They take bold, messy, imperfect action. Here's your bold action plan for today. Identify one thing you've been procrastination on, set a timer for 10 minutes and just start. And celebrate your progress. Every small win counts, girl. I once worked with a client who wanted to launch their own business, but was stuck in analyzing paralysis. I challenged her to take one messy action. Send that one email to a potential client, and yes, that email led her to her first sale. Here's the hard truth. You can't do this alone. The journey to your best life requires a tribe, a group of women who lift you up, cheer you on, and hold you accountable. I want to show you how to build your support system. Explore online spaces where ambitious women like you gather. Find an accountability partner, someone who believes in you and will help you to stay consistent every day. And learn from women who are already where you want to be. Follow their stories, read their advice, and let their journey inspire yours. You don't have to do this alone. The right support can be life-changing. Surround yourself with women who lift you higher, share their wisdom, and celebrate your wins. And if you're ready to connect, you know where to start. So now it's time for your challenge. You didn't watch this video just to feel inspired. You watched it to change your life. So I want you now to create your own vision, write it down, reprogram one limiting beliefs, and commit to one energy boosting habit. Take one bold action toward your goal and share your progress in the comments down or with someone you trust. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can never miss a chance to level up your life. You have everything now you need to succeed. The vision, the tools, and the fire within you. Now, go out there and make it happen. And remember, I'm rooting for you every step of the way. If you want to learn more about it, just click the link in the description. Your journey starts now.